What made you shortlist and select HAGA for your home, doing not just the living room but all the 4 bedrooms as well?
Well, this is my so-called fourth home in a way. So I've used those cheap LED before for my first home, so the quality is really not very reliable. So I decided to invest in something that can last long, reliable, give me the quality that I'm looking for, and also that it is connectivity. I find it good that I can connect to my smartphone to control the lighting. So I don't have to find for the controller, especially when you're lying on the bed with the kids. Yeah, that's why I decided to go for HAGA Coveless Cove Lighting.